I need to be still and let God love me. I need to be still and let God love me. When this old world starts to push and shove me, I need to be still and let God love me. Let's sing it now. I need to relax, let God take over. I need to relax, let God take over, and take this load off of my shoulders. I need to relax, let God take over.
And so continuing in this stillness, continuing in this divine surrender, I simply know that each and every thing, each and every idea, each and every heartbeat, each and every breath is the breath of divine in action, is the heartbeat of divine in action, is the idea of divine in action. And so knowing this is the truth of the entirety of all worlds, I know this is my truth right here and right now, that I am one with the stillness. I am one with divine. I am one with every heartbeat, those of every living thing, and the heartbeat of the world itself, the waves and the water and the wind. And so knowing this, I simply know that every single person in the sound of my voice, in the sound of this time together, this connection, is also that, is the space and place of stillness, is the space and place of divine in action, is the breath and life of divine. And so as we breathe into that together, we're just simply so grateful for all that is becoming, all that is unfolding in perfect and right order, in divine timing and divine idea, in the breath and the heartbeat of life. And so with deepest gratitude for all that is, we simply lean back into the breath, into the arms of support, into the arms of the earth and the universe. And with deep, deep gratitude, we simply let it be, knowing that the stillness has us, God has us. And we take the breath together and simply say, and so it is.
I need to be still and let God love me. I need to be still and let God love me. When this old world starts to push and shove me, I need to be still and let God love me. I need to be still and let God love me. I need to be still and let God love me.